Hi students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 4, Determinants. Now here is the definition of determinant of a matrix. To every square matrix A of order n, we can associate a number called determinant of the square matrix A. That is, for every square matrix A, we can find a number associated with it. That particular number is known as determinant of the square matrix A. Determinant is defined only for square matrices. If A is a square matrix, then determinant of A, determinant of the square matrix A is denoted by DTA. Determinant of the square matrix is denoted by DTA or DTA like this or delta. These three notations are used to denote determinant of a square matrix. If A is a square matrix, determinant of A is denoted by DTA or DTA. This is read as DTA or delta. Don't be confused with DTA and modulus A. Here it is DTA, determinant A. For example, consider a square matrix A equal to matrix 2 3 1 6, a square matrix 2 3 1 6. Then determinant A that is DTA equal to determinant A is equal to, just write the matrix inside these two bar, 2 3 1 6. If A is a square matrix 2 3 1 6, DTA equal to determinant 2 3 1 6. This is read as determinant 2 3 1 6. Now we are going to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 1. Let A equal to matrix A be a matrix of order 1. Then determinant of A is defined to be equal to A. For example, let A equal to matrix 3. So order is 1 by 1, a square matrix of order 1. Let A equal to matrix 3. Then what is determinant A? Determinant A equal to 3 cell. If A is a matrix of order 1, then determinant A equal to the number itself. DTA equal here, DTA equal to 3. Another example, if matrix B equal to matrix 1 by 2, a square matrix of order 1, then what is D to B? Here D to B is equal to the number itself, that is 1 by 2. Okay. If A is a square matrix of order 1, then determinant A equal to the number itself. Now we are going to find the determinant of a matrix of order 2. Determinant of a matrix of order 2. Let A equal to a general 2 by 2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22 be a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then its determinant of A is defined as determinant A equal to DTA equal to delta. These three notations are used to denote determinant. So here determinant A equal to find the determinant, just multiply crossly, that is multiply A11 with A22. cross multiplication, minus multiply A12 with A21. Okay, this is the method of finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So what will be the answer? Multiply A11 with A22. So equal to A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. So to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, just cross multiply A11 into A22 and subtract minus A21 into A12. So this is the method of finding determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now we can do one example. Let A equal to matrix 2 3 1 6. A 2 by 2 matrix 2 3 1 6. Then how to find DTA? Determinant A equal to determinant of the given matrix. Determinant 2 3 1 6. Then how to find the determinant? Just multiply crossly and then subtract. First 2 into 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 1 into 3. 2 into 6 minus 1 into 3. That's equal to 2 into 6 is 12. 12 minus 1 into 3 is 3. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. So 9 is the value of this determinant. So 9 is the number associated with this matrix A. So 9 is the value of this determinant A.